Everyone, welcome back to this table topic series, and let's get started quickly. Let's get the table topic. The table topic is: does money make the world go round? Does money make the world go round? Hi guys, this topic: does money make the world go round? It so let's talk about the money and the money that we see. It's a medium through that we purchase by anything, and it is a medium to feed your stomach. It's the medium uh, through which the world works, basically. So if money is a medium that we also judge in the society, that how much wealth or how much he has or she has. It's also uh, the medium that through which the nations empowers their country uh, and innovate in the field, or invest in anything that they want to do. So this topic is about that, uh, the significance of money, and this topic has been debated a lot. That uh, is money what it is supposed to be. So why does it matter? Why this question matters? This question is a reminder to think about the purpose of the money in our world. It is a reminder that if the money was supposed to do something, is money serving its purpose or not? Money is not everything. So that is why this question is important. It asks us to peek into our lives and think about that, uh, how much uh, how much importance does money hold in your life. So what's the takeaway from this, uh, and what can we learn from it? Well, yes, money is a medium. It's a medium through which we buy, uh, from by which we buy things, we purchase, we sell things, we make our life better. And and but we need to realize that it is not everything, and it does not matter more than your happiness, more than your enjoyment. And if you optimizing for money, then everything else, be it your spending time with your family, or your own happiness, if you keep chasing money, you will not get very far. Or maybe you can have a lot of money, but you will not have other aspects of life. So money is not the only aspect of life. Your life is made up of multiple things: your family, your friends, uh, uh, your happiness. So we should not optimize money money at the expense of others. Let's strive for the balance. And and that's what it is about. So to sum it up, does money make the world go round? It's a reminder to think about the purpose hold money in our lives. Are we uh, giving too much importance to the money? Are we thinking about other than money? Are we happy? Are we spending time with our family? So this topic explores those kinds of dynamics, and we should strive for a balance. Yes, money is important, but it's not everything. Thank you.